Thinking about checking the moisture in your walls or wood but not sure which tool to trust? Today we're comparing 5 top moisture meters, ranked from weakest to best, so you can pick the right one without wasting money. Starting off at number 5 is the moisture meter from Klein tools. This one's designed with a pinless, non-invasive sensor, which makes it a good choice if you want to avoid damaging finished surfaces. It works both on wood and walls, which gives it some flexibility, but overall, it ranks the lowest in today's lineup. It does offer a user-friendly experience with a bright backlit screen and intuitive controls. The ET140 gives moisture readings on wood and drywall using a basic relative scale, and is solidly built with a rugged body that can handle job site drops. If you're new to moisture meters and just need occasional spot checks, it covers the basics fairly well. That said, the accuracy is a weak point. In real-world use, it tends to misread lower moisture levels and doesn't allow for specific wood species calibration, something that can throw off results. Also, the readings for walls and masonry are more comparative than precise. This meter is best for casual DIYers or homeowners doing light inspections, not for pros or detailed woodworking. If you're looking for something more precise or reliable, let's move up the list. Coming in at number 4 is the General Tools Moisture Meter, the pinless MMD7NP. It steps things up a bit in terms of performance and usability, and it's a favorite for quick, hassle-free moisture detection in wood and walls. This one features a decent measurement range and an easy-to-read backlit screen. It's great for getting a feel for moisture levels before painting, sealing, or installing materials. The built-in LED bar graph gives you an instant visual reference, a really handy touch when working in low light or awkward spots. But like the ET140, it has some limitations. It still delivers only relative readings on drywall and doesn't support wood species calibration. That means the results are decent for general checking, but not super precise for critical applications. Also, the resolution only reads in full percentage points, which can be limiting for fine woodworking. This one suits homeowners or DIYers who want quick checks on both walls and wood. And by the way, if you're thinking of picking one up, I've included links to all the moisture meters in this video at the best prices right down in the description. At number 3, we have a bit of a surprise, the RDINSCOS KMT28. For a budget-friendly pick, this one really punches above its weight. It's accurate, user-friendly, and works across a range of materials, including drywall and concrete. You get up to 50% range on wood, and the included flashlight makes it super practical in dark corners or crawl spaces. The display shows moisture status using simple dry, mid, wet icons, and the build quality is quite solid for its price range. For general home inspections, it's genuinely useful and reliable. Now, it does have its share of compromises. Like the others before it, the readings on wall materials are still relative, not absolute. And there's no way to fine-tune for wood species, which more advanced users might miss. But for the price, it's hard to complain. If you're looking for the best value without sacrificing much performance, the KMT28 is a fantastic middle ground choice. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us bring you more unbiased gear reviews. Second place goes to a true powerhouse, the Tramex ME5. This one's built for professionals and serious inspections, with a dual depth scanning system that goes deeper than most. If you're dealing with hidden moisture behind tiles or thick wood, this one finds it. What really makes it stand out is how well it handles a wide range of materials, from wood to tile, drywall to concrete. It offers calibrated modes for each, giving you a far more accurate comparison than the more generic meters. It also includes Bluetooth support, which lets you log and map readings for detailed reports. Now, it's not perfect. The analog display, while large and readable, doesn't give you precise digital readings. And for a premium tool, it's a bit bulky and heavier than others on this list. It also doesn't measure extremely high or very low wood moisture values as accurately as digital pin meters. Still, if you're a contractor, restoration expert, or flooring installer, this meter is a serious upgrade. It's built for deep scanning and fast, comparative results that cover everything from surface to subfloor. And finally, our number 1 pick, the General Tools MMD4E. If you want precise, reliable, and absolute moisture readings, this pin-type meter delivers. It's a favorite among woodworkers and inspectors for a good reason. It just works. Unlike the pinless meters we've covered, this one actually penetrates the material, giving a true reading of internal moisture content. It's extremely accurate within the 10 to 15% sweet spot and works across a range of surfaces, including drywall, plaster, and all kinds of wood. Plus, the hold feature and audible alerts make it easy to use even in tight spots. But yes, the trade-off is physical contact. Those pins will leave tiny holes, so it's not ideal for finished wood surfaces or decorative panels. It also doesn't account for different wood species, so results can vary slightly depending on the material. That said, if you care more about real moisture numbers than keeping your walls pristine, this one's for you. Whether you're prepping wood for staining or checking for water damage inside a wall, this is the tool I'd trust. That's our full breakdown. Don't forget, all the top moisture meters we covered today are linked in the description below at the best prices I could find. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more no-nonsense product reviews every week.